have come very well. We have put more for each row. The weeds also come, that's a different thing, but we will not fail this time because if you see entire row they have come. Wherever we have put the drip lateral, they have come. We have to keep only one for each dripper. Remaining we have to use for the other 1, 2, 3 and 4 aliquots. See, in this row we have put a lot of seeds so that the germination is more important. We are going to, out of so many plants, we are going to keep only one for each drip point. So all these excess plants will get transferred to other aliquots. Parthenium has overtaken, that we need to pull out because of the last night rain. The soil has soaked well and now they will easy to pull them out and drop. Instead of chop and drop, pull and drop. Especially for the Parthenium. Rest of the things we can just chop it and leave it. Because one plant you will get at least 1,000 plants. They multiply very fast. That's why it becomes it will totally cover the drumstick plants what we have put. We have also put mahogany in the same line. They will also come. Once the drumstick plants and mahogany comes to my height or Ali's height, Ali is more than 6 feet. Then even weed comes, nothing to worry because they die off on their own. So the main crop should be taller enough, then the other crops will subside automatically. In natural farming, that's the main fundamental principle. Once we allow them, the main crop, to grow successfully, all these will become supplement to them. They will become manure to them. If you observe closely, mahogany also established well. We don't have to do anything other than just pulling out and dropping the mahogany. Adi kuda pikeema. A podugu vachedi periki. కింద పడే జాలు చాలు. అది వేరే ఉంది కదా, జాగ్రత్త చూసుకొని చెయ్యి. అది బుడం దగ్గర పట్టుకోమా, పట్టుకుంటే ఇంకేం కాదు, ఇంకేం కాదులే. నువ్వు వేరే తీసి నాటుతావు చూడు, అప్పుడు జాగ్రత్తగా ఉండు. ఏది నారు నాటేటప్పుడు అప్పుడు పట్టుకొని తీయాల, లేకపోతే అవి కూడా వచ్చేస్తాయి. ఇంక ఈసారి ఫెయిల్ కామలేయాలి, నిప్పు పడకుండా చూసుకో. నీళ్ళు పెడతా ఉండవు కదా, ఇంకా పోదు. జాగ్రత్త, మునగ చెట్లు ఉన్నాయి చూసుకొని చెయ్యి. ఒక చేత్తో అది పట్టుకో, చేత పట్టుకొని పెరుకో. కింద మునగ చెట్టు పట్టుకొని పెరికినామంటే అది ఊడి రాదు ఇంకా. ఈసారి బాగానే వచ్చిందిలే. ఒక్కొక్క డ్రిప్పర్ దగ్గర 10 చెట్లు ఉన్నాయి కదా, ఈ 3 మళ్ళీకి అవ్వంగా ఇంకా మిగులుతుంది. 4 మళ్ళీకి అయితేమో మొత్తం 5 మళ్ళీకి అవుతుంది. ఆడ పై ఎత్తులో నీళ్ళు రాని చోట అక్కడ మనం రిపేర్ చేసినా కానీ ఎక్కడం కష్టం. ఆడ డ్రాగన్ ఫ్రూట్ కానీ దానిమ్మ కానీ వేసుకుందాం, అంతేగా. ఉంటాను. సో most of the things will happen automatically now. Nature is always, interdependency is there, nothing to worry. We have to do farming wisely. We don't have to spend money unnecessarily. Since drumstick is a legume crop and mahogany also legume, they will enhance the soil nutrition with nitrogen fixation from the atmosphere. That's the main advantage. You could see the butterflies and birds flourishing very well. Honeybees also will come automatically. Once all the nature is set, farmer will have to focus only on the protection and giving the irrigation cycle at a need basis, not excessively. On need basis only we have to water. Thank you.